Hi! Good day everyone. I am Aniki Kim S. Nolasco, a not so serious but trying my best nursing student. So, today, I will be discussing the 12 cranial nerves, including where they are located and their main functions. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs of nerves that originate directly from the brain. Unlike spinal nerves, they mostly serve the head and the neck area, although some extend to other parts of the body. These nerves are very important because they control sensory functions, motor functions, or both. As nursing students, understanding the cranial nerves helps us perform neurological assessments and recognize signs of nerve damage. So, let us all begin. First, we have olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerves originates from the olfactory bulbs located at the base of the frontal lobe of the brain. It passes through the cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone and connects to the nasal cavity. Its main function is smell. It is a sensory nerve. Damage to this nerve may result in loss of smell, which can affect appetite and safety, such as not detecting smoke or spoiled food. Second is optic nerve. Optic nerve begins in the retina of the eye and travels to the occipital lobe of the brain. It is responsible for vision and is a sensory nerve. Damage to the nerve can cause blurred vision, blind spots, or loss of vision. Next, we have the oculomotor nerve. The oculomotor nerve originates from the midbrain. It controls most of eye movements, eyelid opening, and pupil constriction. It is a motor nerve. Damage may cause dropping eyelids, double visions, or abnormal pupil response. The fourth one is trochlear nerve. The trochlear nerve also comes from the midbrain. It controls the superior oblique muscle, which allows the eye to move downward and inward. It is a motor nerve. Damage can result in difficulty looking down and double vision. The fifth one is trigeminal nerve. The trigeminal nerve originates from the pons and has three main branches. First one is ophthalmic, second is maxillary, third is mandibular. The main function of this is to provide sensation to the face and controls chewing muscles. It is a mixed nerve, sensory and motor. Damage may cause facial numbness or difficulty chewing. Next is abducens nerve. The abducens nerve originates from the pons. The main function of this is to control the lateral rectus muscle, which allows the eye to move outward. It is a motor nerve. Damage can cause inward eye deviation and double vision. So guys, stop muna tayo dito ha. Nasa kalahati na tayo. Naalala niyo pa ba yung anim na nauna? Ano nga uli yun? Una, meron tayong olfactory nerve. Pangalawa, optic nerve. Pangatlo, oculomotor nerve. Pang-apat, trochlear nerve. Panglima, trigeminal nerve. At pang-anim is abducens nerve. Take note guys ha. Pero wait lang, meron pa tayong anim. So, let's all continue. So, the seventh one is the facial nerve. So, the facial nerve originates from the pons. The main function of this is to control facial expressions, taste from the front two-thirds of the tongue, and secretion of tears and saliva. It is a mixed nerve. Damage may cause facial paralysis such as Bell's palsy. Next is vestibulocochlear nerve. The vestibulocochlear nerve originates from the pons and medulla. The main function is It is responsible for hearing and balance. It is a sensory nerve. Damage may result in hearing loss, dizziness, vertigo, or balance problems. The glossopharyngeal nerve. Glossopharyngeal nerve originates from the medulla oblongata. The main function of this is to control taste from the back of the tongue, swallowing, and contributes to the gag reflex. It is a mixed nerve. Damage may cause difficulty swallowing or loss of taste. The 10th one is vagus nerve. The vagus nerve originates from the medulla oblongata and extends down to the thoracic and abdominal organs. The main function is to control heart rate, digestion, breathing, and voice. It is a mixed nerve and part of the parasympathetic nervous system. Damage can cause hoarseness, difficulty swallowing, and digestive problems. Second to the last is accessory nerve. Accessory nerve originates from the spinal cord and medulla. The main function of this is to control sternocleidomastoid and trapezoid muscles, which allow head turning and shoulder shrugging. It is a motor nerve. Damage may cause weakness in head and shoulder movement. Last one is hypoglossal nerve. Hypoglossal nerve originates from the medulla oblongata. It controls tongue movement, which is important for speech and swallowing. It is a motor nerve. Damage can cause tongue deviation and speech difficulty. In conclusion, the 12 cranial nerves play an essential role in sensory perception, motor control, and autonomic functions. As nursing students, knowing their location and function help us perform accurate neurological assessments and provide safe patient care. So guys, gusto niyo ba makita na palagi natin siyang ginagawa, pero hindi niyo lang napapansin? Let me show you this.
Did you guys see my nose movement? That was olfactory nerve. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit alam mong may nangangamoy.
Wait, what's happening? Bakit bigla lumalabo ang paningin ko? Is this because of the optic nerve? I think so because siya yung dahilan kung paano tayo nakakakita. Oculomotor nerve is... Loh, bastos naman. But anyways, nakita niyo ba yung eye movement ko? Girl, that was oculomotor nerve. Siya yung dahilan kung bakit nakikita mo siyang tumingin sa iba. Kung bakit, minsan, ayaw mo na rin siyang makita. Ay, nasa baba ka lang pala. Thanks to my trochlear nerve, natulungan akong makita na nasa baba ka. Dahil tinutulungan ito ang eye movement pababa.
Anay kakain! Ha?
Okay, gutom na ako kanina. Wow!
Okay na.
Aray, ang init. Mga walang pa-warning, ha?
Sorry.
Na-activate tuloy yung trigeminal ko. Trigeminal!
Ay, speaking of, alam mo ba, may nalaman na naman kami.
Ay.
Tapos ang nangyari, mali naman yung sinasabi
Ah?
niyan.
Mali. Uy, may
Hindi.
sources ako.
Guys, isa-isa lang,
Alam mo
please.
Mad ang sources mo, boy.
Ang sakit na ng mata ko, please.
Alam ko
Guys,
hindi.
basta
isa lang.
Alam ko, kasi
Anyway, guys, that was abducens. Part pa rin ng eye movement. Grabe, no? May mga tawag pala sa akala natin normal lang na movement sa mukha natin.
Like this one.
Gosh, para akong tanga sa trend na yun, ha? But guys, that was also part of our cranial nerve. That was our facial nerve. Kumbaga, siya yung nagpapagalaw ng face mo.
Bombaya. Yeah, bombaya. Yeah, bombaya.
Guys, nahilo ako dun ah. Pero iisipin nyo ba't ako sumayaw no? Kasi, part pa rin yun ng cranial nerve. Yun ay ang vestibulocochlear. Hearing plus balance kasi eh. Eh wala. Nahihilo ako. Huy, okay ka lang? Nabulunan ako. Ano ba tong tubig na to? Dahil lang sa glossopharyngeal natin. Siya kasi yung sa panglasa at paglunok eh. Hinahinay din minsan ah. Ah, ganun pala yun. Thank you. Diyos ko, ang daming gagawin. Hindi ko na alam kung anong unahin. Oh, baka ako pumayo mo na sa deadline na yun. Hoy, kalma. Yung dibdib mo, baka ang bilis na naman ng tibok ha. Pero, alam nyo guys, vagos ang responsible for that. Siya kasi ang sa heart rate and voice. So, ngayon, alam nyo na?
So guys, you only have two left. So, the second...
Nakita mo yung phone ko? Nasa na yun?
Ay, ano ba yan, na-interrupt? Pero, yung ginawa ko sa shoulder ko, yun yung second to the last natin. Which is, accessory. Take note guys ha. So, nasa last na tayo. Alam niyo ba yung ginawa ko? Hypoglossal yun. Siya kasi nagpapagalaw ng dila natin. Normal explanation na. Alam ko na alam mo na yan.
At ayun, ay, natapos din. Sana may natutunan kayo sa cranial nerves kahit papano. Feel free to comment your thoughts. Thank you guys. Good luck in your nursing journey. Bye!